Hello friends, good morning. All the best for those who are writing GATE exam. Okay, before going to the exam, I will give some instructions here. You have to read the instructions for the candidates. Okay, what are the instructions? Please see here. You should carry to the exam a printed copy of this admit card must be presented for verification along with one photo identity proof which you are mentioned in the admit card. Okay, if the photo is not clear in the mentioned admit card, you have to carry another um, sorry, if the photo is not clear in the valid photo identification id proof, you have to carry another id proof which is having a clear photo. Okay, that is either pan card, voter id, Aadhaar card, college id, employee id, driving license, etc. Okay, admit card should be admit considered valid only if the photograph and signature should be clear. Okay, take A4 sized paper and print admit card on A4 size paper. Okay, if it is color, it is very good. Okay, candidates are permitted to appear examination only after verification of their credentials by the center. To facilitate verification of their identity, candidate must report at the venue 60 minutes before the examination. You should be present. Okay, candidates will be permitted to occupy their seats 40 minutes before the examination. They will allow into the examination. Candidates will not be allowed to log in 30 minutes after start of the exam. Okay, after 30 minutes they will not allow into the after examination start, they will not allow. Candidates will not be permitted to leave the examination hall before the end of the exam. Okay, during exam, okay, they will provide a virtual scientific calculator. We should not carry any calculator to the exam. Okay, they will give for rough work scribble pad. They will provide. We have to do calculation on the scribble pad. Okay, you should wear a mask while going to the exam. You have to wear throughout the exam. You should not remove your mask. Okay, you have to carry your hand sanitizer, packet hand sanitizer. You have to carry your own pen, pencil, water bottle. Okay, before entry to the examination center, some they will check our health condition of the candidate. All the candidate must adhere to the COVID related protocols in compliance with the orders and directives of Government of India and local directives. Okay, as per government under order, any candidate who is COVID positive or as any infectious disease must not come out of home or hospital, and hence the entry for such candidate will be denied. Okay, asymptomatic candidates, if any, who have temperature higher than 99.4 degree Fahrenheit, will be taken to isolation area of examination. On the exam day, candidate must not have COVID symptoms, not in quarantine, and was not in close contact with any COVID patient during the last fortnight. That means you should have good health. If you have temperature, they will allow, but they will allow the exam isolation. Okay, violation of any of the above guidelines, including impersonation or breaking of code of conduct, cancellation may be done. Okay, these are the very important instructions, friends. Please follow these instructions. All the best for your exam.